I'm Christian Oswentry, the Special Assistant to the Chief Executive Officer of Maslow Ghana, Insurance Constituency, incoming Member of Parliament. Keep watching Kwayim TV.
Keep watching Kwayim Television.
Keep watching Kwayim Television.
Keep watching Kwayim TV.
Kwayim TV.
Kwayim Television.
No any Kwayim Television.
During the COVID time, everybody turns around to Kwayim. Ekope ahama, eba betiti, anwa, dudu. Enti ahodi ni nyina no Kwayim. So everybody should keep watching Kwayim TV. That is where our strength and our energy will come from.
I am Pamidine Steve Amoa. Mina mi jina we share so me CEO Maslok. Inti TV pad and no any Kwayim Television.
And Kwayim Television and subscribe.
Me dear assemblyman free PPP who bisa uni obeka kire wo. What you say? The assembly is the agent to development. Exactly. One energy property rate.
Is that assembly?
Yes. Well, na say the Bible no can Amos 3:7 no. Was it you want to so do na me esro fence ma wa. Wa dey mention no. Enti baby a wo to okọ no. E wona wo shira free ba. Ana me boa. So the assembly is the agent to development. Say aban nanado e ka se ye meye santase kwan a. Unim the consultant na wo ho no the assembly city engineer one day was wo hwe se ebeye enti assembly no agent to development and the MP so no facilitate because of say one road minister one energy minister one all the ministers no e parliament omo collaborating no no lobby kura no na se ba kura na ekoka parliament ekoka the district assembly obi o why say MP di common fund MP say let me tell you MP common fund no say DC ka so on na on farmer da because DC you know one na say o sensan na MP no etimi access enti ye besre say assembly no dwumadie na all the contract ni nyina no I was say assembly no any free ba assembly no put up a certificate na by regional administration na regional minister so aye ansa na akọ ama yakwa kutuaka what I say wabra MP no pre rubia well into the system of the assembly no and no na was say dako kwaye mu frame ne betena se na ye kyerɛkyerɛ sɛdeɛ amamuo no ni development no okay so what you say because governance from the bottom to the top approach from the unit committee to the assembly and the assembly to parliament and to share all the subcommittees are assembly the same subcommittees to parliament. And let me tell you, assembly no dumedia ye no esuchen parliamentarians assembly parliament yemra obi ena implement emra no o just say but assembly yemra yeni ankasa assembly na hwe say emra no be adwuma
ene say na menkyire mu dia since 92 till date ni die amanfo ne of this year no almost go parliamentary so sen assembly and district crowd
exactly
dine say enne na wo kyire ye muye
yes even obekọ no obi asikwan no ye yie meboa
enso no da bre na ye na ye bobo MPD
enso obekọ no say kumasi a ana say kwada so a obekọ da kwada so assembly na the board na si wo yes MP we de onya de wa ma ye say ba bia na esikwan MP we kura de o ya bre no o we de ya to anu ho but it is the work of the assembly.
Papa ene da meshiawo na udini biem esanse me pese me ka asem bi de kire Kwayom abedwafo
me dini de frame Kwabran Century but do not frame Honorable Century because of
Kwayom ahwefo yadasoa ne Honorable Kwabena Nsechi na 18 komo or vice chairman at the Ashanti region within the New Patriotic Party which is NPP na insemo work no ani so pa media mentoka mefuka pa so taxi any trotro ahodo wo Kumasi ne mpotemo de ubofu bia no politics started with MP and nonti ama eneyi no say ye kase on oppose kra na obi nyem genodwe momanenko meanwhile so no na assembly no and na wosenka omutumi bua na DC nso ede na no tomu bi sanse nanso yesum ni nyina de agu MPs no so eye Kwayam Television Fountain of a Christian Power Ministry na eso yasene Poshe Kidi Mo Ekahobi Bia Yeti nso a Beauty Queen Hotel and Restaurant and I just say ye dim pense mo enchebia na ye from mamonemom me konenchen na assurance no for 2021 no or the agu akwam once woni untumi ete kwansen kurom ne de e wo se yenso yetimi ede yensa to kwansen nim na ye fa bi assurance be no mo de ma Ashanti region because we know ye nkono for MPP kura ye for chairman in the region.
I can assure you, your challenge. Okay. Now your challenge, it's not about anything because your challenge is about percentage. Last, I didn't know EBT President John Mahama would run for EBT 1 million plus votes, and the only challenge that we have is between 1.6 million votes. So that is our challenge. So we are working towards 1.6 million votes, and we shall get there. And until me free me free insuta eneba makodi party dwumadi binum so ne namba bi omudi dwumadi no ye nya ye kra ye be bontoa no na se so de den se na wo kan MP asem no wahu digital baomia dwumadi bi o se tracker. When we say I can't say MPB in your track camera. But say assembly in the track number. Good. And this our track na. Be bien puntu juma ko. Be bien puntu juma alcohol. And you can say MPB nyai. So what you say. Na juma ye di ni de ye be ko so head. And no you could be Tepa Hospital. Very nice. It's could be one district, one warehouse. My buy, coffee, acquire, my buying
education, Kakrebi.
Education there, so be any. Because me MP ni macho poku prempe. So what you say? Now education there, each and everybody knows. Now be so be a was me de miniba. And I say me man nyina forgetting say. So why you be the would the day? Would the ye
now o money in Thomas about
exactly. And one good thing about national national card and say national ID card and say Enchebiano your credit rating abruchly ye rating obiano credit. Na yaka say reti obiara ne creditor eno na ma yehunu say woka wojisika wotua ne ntem anase wojisika na wontua. You understand? Yes, me no nyina kwaje bosia because of say ye ni sa adwuma de checking it no ye nyina no na de ato high risk enti interest rate no na de nyina to pe
obi kwaje 1000 na otua 1002 or otua pa but obi nso age 500 no de adwane.
Yes. Enti yenya akwanya bi anhwe se me ka edin anase wo so wo ka edin na yetimi de what to high risks na do to high risks na the insurance no so aye high
ne se wo chiremu a we nyina no gu akwan so a eba after 2020 election.
Exactly. And na me ka tell say okay say you see obia tertiary student you can use your ID and go for loan. Because you have your fingerprint, you have your Google Map, digital address, so you can run.
Any GPS,
so you can run. Upaso Ujania, Henry Obedian, Magana Bill. Now Ujanis, Interpol, so ewo. So, Baumia de Yako, Babia. To say Europe, Pepe, and Nasa America, na Asia.
They say, why you man, Kitue, Bishop paying for himself.
We are collaborating. Unim, the mimic and Mama Num to show you. I am. So what you say?
yɛbɛ home so kakra ɛyɛ Kwayom television mpanyine se wodi adwene a wanyini dachi a asuo fraw no wobɔbɔ ne sɛ kɛtɛ abɛfie na yɛbɛ home so yɛbɛhyɛ daa kɔna so yɛ ankasa na Kwayom deɛ yɛabɛfie no yɛnkɔ biem ɛsiane sɛ Abraham ne Eliv ɔmo free Kwayom ɛbaayɛ no ɔma nkɔ Garden of Eden biem enti yɛde papa Esia ɔyɛ vice chairman edema the New Patriotic Party Ashanti region and as Ashanti Mantemo and I know about change come on nemum kai se obesan so akọ YouTube subscribe na bibia IFFF Facebook nso ye wo ho asomedu a champion ene Kwayom television ebo wo ho modene uko Facebook a wo benya ye na enuma ahodo edigu or me say e nyankopon asem e yadadam afutuo afi nkwada videos ene chese entertainment on se kuma wodu na kofo no Kwayom abase movies ahodo a pese wo hwe ni nyina no bibia ekoso Comerica videos ahodo wo benya pi na yeko na yenkokwa eye Fountain of Christian Power Ministry Pokuase 0543 552611 wona wodem no eye visa ye de ko Prophet Achinchen me see enkudi me nkobo besia phone nefa nedale 0543 552611 eno no na ofre no a wode ne kasa kra no na woni so ade hunu no na eba na adayeso na eba na adwuma sam nso na etoso ohun sesa woni sofo kasa na se onuoma si wuyi a ukọ ne nchen a ukọ with bold enye sofo na na mi nkobo besia na mi famra wonche da bi woni ne kasa wo phone no so no na wakwantuo no kra visa no wanya enti ukọ ho akokra na umpa we upedie upeka ya motuam da bi eye Kwayom television papa we die anu di sema etwato kra na yinjao na jewa home
they make an say all the independent candidates in Kofobia my major meko contact no omuni bibi papa bia ni wa ombitima ya mampesua ne so fo no
e bi nso omani so ade hunasa
omuni bibi papa bia ni wa na say no omnatie so wotiase min mu omabo abofiande but eden na nado danko akufado benwene oso ntimi ne wonya adwuma enti wo kwano ne ho na ekoya adwuma
se yesi akokoba oben nini no owe ababeti kese
sa pepepe enti yebetu obi afo na matu timamofo afo se bibia ni wa MPP candidate ayi no se wantimi anya obi okokontakro betima ye enti they should all vote massively come December 7th no ema MPP parliamentary candidate or constituency any nanado danko akufado
yada wasen so yada ahwefo nyina sinemum keep watching Kwayom television and subscribe for more when you are in Facebook nso a o subscribe o share na fe o like na o the videos no so ema amonone for sanse yakoko divo aba yana moman Ghana mo after the election yebetumi aba ompesua so na bibia IFFF